A member of Mavado's legal team speaks after the entertainer failed to report to the police because of prior contractual obligation.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Dancehall artist Mavado did not acquiesce to the ultimatum handed down by the Jamaica Constabulary Force to turn himself in by midday Wednesday, June the 6th. The entertainer's lawyer, Tamika, said the musician is overseas, fulfilling a contractual obligation, and did not ignore the request by the police. I explained to the police that Mavado had a prior contractual obligation and that he was not aware that they had an interest in talking to him because he had gone to make a report at the police station 2 days ago, Harris said. He is a musician, he has to do shows, and the police bulletin gave the impression that he had been given an ultimatum and had chosen to ignore it, she added. Harris said that Mavado will return to Jamaica as soon as his obligation is complete, but gave no definitive timeline for his return. Mavado is wanted for questioning in relation to the flare-up of violence in the entertainer's Cassava P. St. Andrew community. Police have detained the artist's teen son, brother, nephew, and other relatives at the Constant Spring lockup. 5 of Mavado's family members have been detained, so I spoke to Deputy Superintendent Karen Salmon and was told that they will be interviewed tomorrow, Thursday, June the 7th, in the presence of myself and attorney P. Rogers regarding 2 murders in Cassava Peace. Peter Champagny has also been retained to handle the case, Harris said. She revealed that the minor, if he is released, would be supervised by a close relative, as the minor's mother, like Mavado, is also overseas. Mavado was reportedly involved in a physical confrontation which led to him being shot at on Saturday. The police have a man in custody in relation to that shooting, but he is yet to be charged. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.